this is Ashley, also known as the Nauti Floridian, and I just wanted to take a few moments and introduce myself and my channel to you. I'm originally from Florida and came here to South Carolina for university. I later met and married my husband, who's from the Chesapeake Bay area, so we're both very coastal people. We have 3 cats and a dog right now, so you're liable to see some licking paws and wagging tails throughout some of my videos. Part of the reason why I'm creating this channel is because many of my co-workers ask me where I find such cute vintage and vintage-inspired outfits and items, and I just wanted to share with other people some of my tricks and the method to my madness at the thrift store and at bargain hunt stores, so maybe you can find your own pieces that you enjoy. Some of my hobbies include participating in pinup style contests at car shows, crafting, and cooking healthy meals. I hope to share a little bit of all of that with you here on my channel. I just love hunting for good deals and using my creativity to do vintage and pinup inspired outfits as well as everyday modern styles. Now it's time for me to share with others my bargain and thrift hunting method to my madness.